In this video, I'd like to show how to restore a folder using CCC. For this scenario, suppose I did some reorganizing and somewhere along the line I lost some folders from my music collection. I've got a lot of folders in there though, and I don't want to just recopy all of that content via the Finder. I want to have CCC smartly restore just the items that are missing from my startup disk. So to do that, we'll open CCC and create a new restore task by clicking the Restore button in the toolbar. Click on the source selector and choose a folder, and then I will navigate to my CCC backup volume, Users, Apple, Music. Select that as the source to my task. If you know where the folder is in the Finder, you can also do drag and drop via the Finder. Sometimes that's easier. If I go to my home folder, I've got my music folder here. Now the other thing I want to point out here is a common configuration mistake that people will make. I could choose iTunes Music as the destination, and if you do this, we have a slight misalignment in the folder hierarchies, and that's going to end up copying everything within Music, which includes that iTunes Music folder, inside of this folder. That's going to recopy everything. So we want to make sure that these folders are aligned when we set up our restore tasks. So there we go. Now I've got the Music folder to the Music folder. Another thing that I want to do here is show how we can take a more conservative approach to this restore task. We can click the preview button in the toolbar, and CCC will go through the task in a dry run and then present the audit at the end of the task showing what would have changed if we had gone through with this task. And here we go. We can see that a bunch of items have been copied. But we also have this one folder that was deleted from the destination. And now I remember, that's right. When I was doing my organization, I actually added some music to my music library, and I don't want to lose that. So before I proceed with this task, I'm going to go back and make one configuration change to the task. I don't want CCC to delete anything from the destination. So I'm going to click on the destination selector, and I'm going to choose Don't Delete Anything from the safety net submenu. And then we can go ahead and run that preview again, and we can see that this time it only added stuff to the destination. So now that I'm happy with the configuration of this restore task, I'll click Start, and that will restore all of those files from my backup to my startup disk. Click the link below for more videos on how to restore content from your CCC backup. And remember, if you ever need help restoring content from your CCC backup, we're here to help. Open CCC and choose Ask a Question about CCC, and our support staff will help you get things set up correctly.